Hello students, let us study about how do organisms reproduce. Before we discuss the mechanism by which organisms reproduce, uh, let us ask some basic question. Why do organisms reproduce? The is it reproduction is not necessary to maintain the life in an individual organism, unlike the essential life process such as nutrition, respiration, or excretion. On the other hand, if an individual organism going to create more individuals, okay, and reproduction is very important because the continuation of the life and lot of energy will be spent in the process. Okay, it is where a lot of energy is spent for the reproduction. So why should the individual organism waste the energy in the process? It does not need to stay alive. Yes, it is important to the reproduction is very important for the continuation of the organism. Okay, whatever the answer for these questions, it is obvious that we notice the organism because they reproduce. If they were to be only one non reproducing member of a particular kind, it is doubtful that we would have noticed its existence. There is a requirement of existence. Okay, survival of fittest. These theories already you studied in eighth and ninth. It is the large number of organisms belonging to single species that bring them to our notice. How do we know that two different individual organisms belong to same species? Usually, we say that they look similar to each other. Okay, and reproducing organism create new individuals that look very much like themselves. The new reproductive organism is look like to their parent. Okay, that is very important. And do organism create exact copy of themselves? Yes. uh, Organism look similar because their body designs are similar. Their body design is also similar, and their blueprints for these designs should be similar. Thus, reproduction at its most basic level will involve making the copies of blueprints of the body design. Okay, already we learned that chromosomes, they are present in the nucleus of the cell. Inside the nucleus there is a chromosome present. It contain information. This chromosome, it containing the information for the genetic information for the one generation to another generation, means parents to offspring. The information it goes to the parents to the offspring. A chromosome in the nucleus, a cell contain information for the inheritance features from parents to next generation. That is from DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA in the cell nucleus is the information source for making proteins. DNA is the genetic material. It is a source of information, and it changes different protein will be made. It is eventually lead to alternate body design. It is a genetic material. It transfers from parents to offspring. Okay. Therefore, a basic in reproduction is creation of a DNA copy. It is a basic reproduction. The DNA is involved in the reproduction. Cell use the chemical reaction. Cells uses the chemical reaction to build the copy of DNA. In the cell, the chemical reactions occur to for there is a formation of DNA. This creates two copies of DNA to reproducing cell. There is a two copies, means DNA consists of two helical structures. Okay, they are in anti-parallel in nature, will need to separate from each other. However, keeping one copy of DNA in the original cell and simply pushing the other one would not work. One is act as a template and other is work as a new origin, and there is a formation of semi-conservation, and a duplex copy of DNA is formed. That is copy of DNA, and creating additional cellular apparatus, and the DNA copy separates from the cellular apparatus. Effectively cell divides to give rise to two cell. Means in DNA, inside the nucleus DNA is present. It starts multiplying, and one DNA is containing double helix structure. One is act as a template, and another one is the synthesis of other DNA molecule opposite side. it is in anti-clockwise direction. When its reproduction is over, it separates from the new parent cell. Okay, these two cells are the course similar, but are they likely to absolutely identical? The answer to this question is will depend on how accurately copying reaction involved. It is a biochemical reaction. It is a reliable, absolutely reliable. Therefore, it is only expected that the process of copying the DNA will have same variation in each time. Okay, DNA copying is uh, same. As a result, the DNA copy generate is similar, but maybe not an identical to the original. Some variations occur in the parent offspring. Okay, these variation might